What is up, boys? We're back with another. We're actually doing a vlog type video. Let me put my little cover, and I have to wrap my oil pan. My oil pan's a little dirty. All right, boys, we're back. Sorry about that. I just needed to use two hands, but this is a good old oil pan. Today, almost slipped. So today, we're about to go. We're gonna go meet up with my boy Evan, and then we're gonna go to Lowe's. Man, my hair's long. We're going to Lowe's. We're painting his side flares or whatever, side panels. You'll see we're painting them black, and I'm doing the oil change, obviously. And surprisingly, my car does not really like burn a lot of oil. So for any other G's, like, let me know if you guys burn a lot of oil, because I don't personally. So, but here she is, boys. I don't know if you already peeped, but I just uploaded another video installing the new Specty headlights with the lip. You feel me? Something kind of slight, but oh boy, I forgot to take out the most important part to clear up some space. My friend's wing. He sadly got into an accident the other day. Some idiot hit him, so that's super unfortunate, but let's get on to it. Excuse the dirty trunk. Sorry about that, but it is what it is. Let's get in. Yeet. Yes, this is my camera bag. Yes, this wing is worth a lot of money. I also have a carbon fiber wing. It's the NRG Universal wing. It is pretty dope. Oh dang, it's pretty dark in here. It's pretty dope. But I'll see you guys when we get there, boys. Yo, bro.
What the?
Say what's good to the vlog, bro.
Chill the vlog. Fuck me.
Hey, yo! Yeah,
Dang.
I'm about to get ready to come, bro. Pause.
Wow. See?
Should I come to your house?
I mean, we're going to Lowe's.
You want to meet me at Lowe's then? Wait, which Lowe's?
The one on Westchester, near Westchester, probably.
Like near Kohl's?
Yeah.
Alright, yo. I'm gonna meet you there. Yo, you know what? Meet me at the gas station where we always get gas, cause I need gas.
At Phillips.
Yeah, I'm at like a quarter tank left.
Alright.
I'm going there right now. I'll probably beat you there, to be honest.
You definitely will.
Alright, yeah, I'm gonna see you when you get there.
Alright. Yeah.
Alright, boys. You heard the man. Going to the gas station. Alright, boys. Gas station time. Okay. Everybody did. That's for sure. Oh yeah, so we're in the fall. Yeah, you might as well. Yes. Alright. Alright, bro. What's up? 93, of course, boys. Yeah. Is yours tuned? Is yours tuned? Yeah. Wait, here. Let me feel this. I'll show you. Is it auto? Manual? Word. Got another G, boys. This price is crazy, bro. It's fucking 305, 359. Sheesh. Guys. I know the best feeling other than that is having a full tank of gas. Yeah, we got 140 something on the dash. So full tank of gas though, best feeling ever. I'm not gonna lie, like I'll be stressing out when I don't have a full tank of gas. So I usually fill at half point. I'll fill it back up, but I usually never let it go under half. Always put 93. I'm on 93 tune, so I can't put anything else. So, or else my junk will be messed up, most likely. But yeah, we're about to get this terp skiing soon, so stay tuned for that. Yo, bro.
This gas expensive as shit.
What is it?
$3.15.
I paid $3.05. We gotta paint some fenders. To the boys. Gotta look dope as shit. This gas is dummy expensive, not gonna lie. The beautiful G, I already know. The OG G. There we go, right over there. Oh yeah. Then this gas expensive, bro, huh? That's cool, bro. I filled up. Cause even though Sunoco is the best gas for me personally, it makes the pop map so crazy. But Shell's the best for me at least. So I don't know. I really only like Shell. Shell plus nitrous, whatever that shit's called. That shit's golden. But we're about to hit up Lowe's, get some paint, but I'll see you there. Yes, Thirsty. We at Lowe's, boys. Now, you decide what you want to go, bro. You going glossy black?
What the?
Glossy black?
Chill. I don't know.
We're going to see, bruh. But
Let me see what black is.
my car does not like popping on the pop tune with 93 gas of Sunoco. You guys let me know what you find the best brand gas in your area that, you know, you get the best pops, because mine is only Shell. If I get Shell, every little decel, it fucking goes pop, 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 pop every time. It's like a drive-by, literally. Like, it only happens on Shell though. So it looks like when I want to make my videos, my pop tunes, like, that's a little insider for you guys. Use Shell gas. Anyone that's tuned, Shell gas. Damn, it's dark. Let's go. We working on our house. So much paint. All right, bro. What you choosing, man? You going with the good old Krillon? We're not sponsored by anybody, so Krillon, if you want to sponsor me, y'all should sponsor me and paint my car. See, I don't know what to. I don't know.
Here's gloss black.
Gloss black. Wait, what? It's plastic, right? Or like fiberglass? So that's kind of plastic, right?
Yep.
You doing a clear finish too?
Probably.
To protect it, yeah. I mean,
Where's the clear finish?
there's some Fade Buster. Dang, it doesn't want to focus. Some plastic. I don't know. Personally, what would you guys paint it with? Because remember, I'm getting a body panel, so I'm gonna be painting my G. So I'm gonna get the factory color, obviously, so it can match. But I was gonna do that or just paint it black. I don't know. We'll see if I like black. But I'm going wide body, so with a big ass wing. Just remember that big ass wing. Gonna be dope. Cool. I mean, there's nothing else here, really. Maybe yeah, bro. Keep it a bean ski.
I have to clean it too.
Chill.
This feels so empty.
I think it's just like that, bro. Cause remember, it's not like paint. It's just like clear. I don't know. There's definitely something there, so you'll definitely have enough. So.
I need some 3M tape.
3M. Let's go check, boys. Some 3M. Damn, this is expensive ass tape, man. $5 for this.
How long is it?
What is it? 24 meters? 54? I don't know. 20. I don't know. That's 24 millimeters.
60 yards.
Yeah, 60 yards. That's a lot of tape, actually.
Yep.
How are you chilling? All right, boys.
It is not thick enough.
Want to get this one?
I need some thick boys.
I mean, it's not gonna go through, bro.
No, it's like water.
Like this?
Wide boys.
Oh, like this?
Yeah.
Damn, $8. Sheesh. All right, boys.
Your My Lowe's
I have two
card
pairs.
or scan your
what's
first
that?
item to begin.
10.
Oh, dead ass? Which one, bro?
8.98.
These are the belugas. I also have statics.
How much you want?
I'm not selling them.
What you mean?
Bro, I bought them like a couple months ago.
What you mean, bro? Sell them. Sell them, bro. I'll give you $1.
You're funny as shit.
I'll give you $1, bro. What ass? All right, boys.
Whatever.
That was the easiest shit ever. I'm not going to cap to you. Huh?
Whoever has them happens.
Chill. Watch that. Watch the paint be like messed up,
I killed myself.
and it's not actually glossy black.
It's matte black.
It's matte.
Someone be complaining about matte black.
Matte black is not bad, and plus you have a clear gloss coat. It's gonna give it some shine.
Yep.
Plus, majority of the car cleaning stuff is for glossy cars, not matte. So it's not like you can clean it with the same stuff either.
I still gotta wait for
Chill.
the fender flare seal.
Chill. At least that's coming Saturday, so it's all good. Plus, it's good to wait. Bro, it's gonna be nice as hell next week too.
I hope so. Good.
Who's she peeping at?
Look at this.
Better not be peeping at me, young boy. Damn! Is that a static car?
Should I bring one of my friends?
Fuck no. Bro, do not lower your car, okay? We're in Philly, or basically PA. All these potholes, bro. Do not do it. Like, I can't show the license plates. You never know. Yeah, bro. This is all getting covered up, man.
Chill.
Yeah.
That's cut it.
Chill. And this is gonna get cut because we're going wide body too, boys. Wide body gang. And I'm thinking about, you guys comment down below what kind of wheels you think I should buy.
These are the on the back. Oh no, you don't.
In the front.
In the front. You go in the front, or like, so like, I can choose however high I want.
Damn. Yeah, this is gonna be clean. A clean boy.
I just need to clean this shit.
Chill.
I got, I mean, 1, 2, 3. I learned 24 moments. 25.
Really?
So,
Guys, comment below what kind of wheels you think I should buy for when I go wide body. It don't matter the price, just nothing over, like I said, it doesn't matter, but it does matter. Nothing over 3,000, all right? Nothing over 3K, I'll buy. So for my wide body, because I'm going with the Battle Arrow 74-inch chassis mounted wing. So that's my plan for that car, 74. I'm debating between, do I want to save up a little more and buy the carbon fiber, or do I just buy whatever the other material is? So we'll see. Comment down below what you think I should do. All right, boys. We're letting it drain, and then I'm gonna check it with some gloves. Obviously, some gloves. I'm gonna check my oil. Hey, yo! What?
you got slides oil filter.
What you mean?
Mine's like this thick. And
Yours
this
bigger?
yeah.
Pause.
Yeah.
Oh!
There you go.
That'd have been a bad John. Is yours really bigger?
A lot
This
bigger.
is the XL too, bro.
Mine's a lot bigger.
This is the biggest one, the XL for
Mine's
this
like
car.
this big. Like
Damn.
this long.
Yeah, bro, this is tiny, bro. I didn't change this one for like, I think 2 oil changes, which I kind of am mad about. Also, gotta take this out, so that's gonna be interesting. But yeah, boys, let's get this done. All right, let's do the most annoying part. Taking out the stupid oil filter. Oh shoot. There we go. Let's take this out. Yay. Got it, boys. Guys, remember to lube before you insert. I'm childish. Here she is, boys. Just gave her a little wax, you know. Here we go. Exclusive car group. My car group. And my boy. There she is, boys.
I'll get dirty again in the process.
I know. I know. Also, I gotta change those out, so those really have to be changed. Like really bad. But yeah. Love the wheels. Love the angles. See me? Sweet time. Yo, boys. We're back. We just got home. As you can see, it's a little dark out, but as you can see, we went out to eat, grabbed some pho. I'm addicted to pho. I'm pretty sure I said that already, but we went and grabbed some pho. Now I'm going home, but I'll probably be in for the night. No car crazy meat today, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. Is it a little blurry? It's a little blurry. There we go. Oh wait, let me show you the pho again. It was smacking. Let me see if I can bring another photo. Nope, but that John was good. And whoa. And today I'm probably gonna go do some homework, play some Call of Duty. I play on PC for anyone who's wondering. If comment your Activision ID and add me, we can play. But remember, guys, go out till you shine. Peace out.